Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do dropshipping business on TikTok shop from Aliexpress. Now this is going to be a little bit of a lengthy video, so bear with me. All of the steps that I'm going to show you is definitely doable, so let's get started. First things first, you want to go to the apps and services options on your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Here you can see on the left side of the screen you will find a navigation menu, and inside of it you have this apps and services option. Now we go to app stores and then we got shop partners. You want to go to the app store sections right here, and you can see that there is a bunch of apps that you can use in order to help your TikTok shop. And you can even see a bunch of popular platform options like Shopify, Lazada, Shopee, Aliexpress, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, etc. So the one that we're going to be looking for is this Aliexpress one. So you can go ahead and click on it. And now you can see that there are a bunch of options that you can use in order to add the product from Aliexpress into your TikTok shop. Now the one that I'm going to be trying is actually CJ Dropshipping. So I'm going to go ahead and type it here because it's not appearing on any of these options. So I'm going to go ahead and click the CJ Dropshipping one. So this is what the page will looks like. It's going to give me some of the key features, some of the disclaimer, and you can see that on CJ Dropshipping, they have integrated platform that we can use and we can connect into our TikTok shop like Shopee, Lazada, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, etc. So here are the things that we can connect to our TikTok shop. Now all we have to do is click on this install option, and then you're going to want to add some details. And once you got all of the details inserted, you can go ahead and click confirm to install. Then they're going to ask you to authorize the installation of CJ Dropshipping into your TikTok shop. And these are the details that you can read. And once you're okay with it, you can go ahead and click on this tick box and then click on authorize. Now, as you can see, we got the app authorized into our TikTok shop, and it's going to bring us into CJ Dropshipping platform or CJ Dropshipping website. Now all you have to do is sign in into your CJ Dropshipping. If you haven't had an account yet, you can just create it directly through here, and you even have lots of options on which you can do in order to sign up to CJ Dropshipping. You can use your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Gmail, your Apple account, or even your Shopify. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in into my CJ Dropshipping. Now if you encounter this page while you're trying to continue with your dropshipping journey, don't worry, this is what you need to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and click add store here, and here are some of the notes that you will need to know in order to be able to add your TikTok store into your CJ Dropshipping. So you can go ahead and click on OK here. Now it's going to bring us into our TikTok Shop Seller Center. So here you're going to want to select the account type, and CJ Dropshipping actually have a guidance to TikTok connection. So it says here that as of 17 February 2022, an agreement has been reached between CJ and TikTok, upon which we can help customers grow dropshipping business. To this end, this tutorial aims to teach you how to make a connection between TikTok and CJ. So here are the steps which I've shown you earlier, and this is the important part of the steps. It says here that we have to select the Chinese mainland and HKSR in the account type options, no matter where your business lies. So you'll be able to find Asian seller and Europe seller, and make sure to choose this on the account type. So I'm going to click on the Asian seller here, and this is the one that we're going to be choosing. So you can go ahead and click on next. And once you followed the steps appeared on your screen, you'll be able to authorize your CJ Dropshipping into your TikTok shop. But let's say that you're still having a problem with that method. I'm going to show you a second method that you'll be able to do. But before that, I'm going to show you the dashboard of CJ Dropshipping. So here we got all the things that we can dropship from CJ Dropshipping. First things first, we got the trending product appearing here, and you can just choose from the available product here. And if you would like to see a product that will specifically sells well on your TikTok shop, all you have to do is scroll all the way down and you'll be able to find a sections for different platform, e-commerce platform. For example, this one we got the one for Shopify, and then WooCommerce, Shopee, and eBay. So you're going to want to click on the TikTok shop options right here. And these are the product that you'll be able to sell on your TikTok shop. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to find something that I find interesting, like maybe this ring right here. It looks really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now, in order to be able to add this into your dropshipping platform, you're going to want to go ahead and click on list so you can add this product into your store. And once you've managed to connect your TikTok shop into your CJ Dropshipping, you will be able to change the store selection into your TikTok shop. Now notice that I don't really have any other store selection, and that's because I only have eBay. And apparently, if you live in Indonesia, you might encounter some problem with connecting CJ Dropshipping to your TikTok shop. Now this is going to be the second options on which you can do in order to do dropshipping from Aliexpress to your TikTok shop. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open your Shopify account. And once you got to your Shopify, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Add Apps. And here you want to connect your CJ Dropshipping as well as your TikTok shop. So you can go ahead and go to the Shopify App Store and install both of the apps. It's very easy. All you have to do is click on the apps and click on install, and make sure you do the same one with the TikTok shop. All right, now I got my TikTok shop all set it up on my Shopify too, and this is how you'll be able to do the dropshipping from Aliexpress to your TikTok shop with the help of CJ Dropshipping and Shopify. So first things first, you want to go back to the CJ Dropshipping options here, and you'll be able to see that I'm back to the product page that I've shown you earlier. And the difference is going to be now when I'm clicking on the list options here, I have the option to change my store. So I'm going to go ahead and change this one into my Shopify, which is this one's right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the details needed here. Then I'm going to add the variant pricing. So make sure you've changed it according to how you want it to be. Once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and click on list now. Now once it's done, it's going to show me this notification that says that it is listed successfully. And if we click view in store, it's going to bring us into our Shopify admin page. So this is how it looks like for now. And I got the product active on my Shopify. Now next, if we will want to make it appear on our TikTok shop, we're going to want to go to our TikTok apps on our Shopify. Then you're going to go ahead and click on create campaign. Now through here, you'll be able to advertise your product, and this will automatically make the product be available to be seen on your TikTok shop. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and add a campaign. So I'm just going to select a product, which is this one's right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click and add. And you can change the video if you want to, or you can generate some more video. This is the one that is currently added. You can add the text here. You even have some advanced setting. For example, I'm going to say beautiful woman's ring. And then you can add the targeting automation as well as optimization event. Either you want it to be as a complete payment, view content, add to cart, add payment info, initiate checkout, etc. I'm going to choose complete payment for now. Then you can even set your budget, and you can choose whether you want it to run continuously, or you can set the ending time for this project. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on submit. And once you got the campaign running, you'll be able to sell the product with a dropshipping business method from AliExpress to your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That is how you can do AliExpress dropshipping to your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.